this video we are going to solve question number first from exercise number 14.1 chapter 14 three-dimensional geometry. Find direction cosine of a line which makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. Let the line makes equal angle theta with the coordinate axis. Therefore, direction cosines are L is equal to cos theta, M is equal to cos theta, N is equal to cos theta. But L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. So cos square theta plus cos square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 3 cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos theta is equal to plus minus 1 upon root 3. So value of L, M, N which is equal. So plus minus 1 by root 3.